This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Hector Gutierrez. This spacious, well-maintained mobile home features 2-bedroom/2 bath with updated stainless steel appliances, kitchen cart, and laminate flooring throughout the home. The laundry room is conveniently located indoors to the rear of the property. Enjoy your downtime with the family in the fully screened Florida room. The property has an extra carport which is great for storing a small boat/RV. The exterior is privately fenced and includes a shed for your storage needs. There are no HOA or lot fees in this quiet community. Schedule your showing today before it's too late. Investors are welcome. For more information, review the details below.